How to do Bybit derivative or future. Join me as I take the challenge of mastering Bybit derivative in just a minute. Welcome to Mr. S Crypto James. My name is Eni. I'm a crypto enthusiast. I make how to tutorial video about cryptocurrency and make money online. What you are going to be learning today is what is order book, what is leverage, difference between take profit and stop loss, difference between isolated and cross, how to place your first trade. So this is what you'll be going to be learning today, and if there is anything you don't understand, always let me know in the comment section and I'm ready to make an adjustment to it, because I try my best to make it beginner. Beginner is not always beginner. You have to make it more deeper. So guys, let's go. Hey guys, so all you just have to do right now is to have Bybit account. Before we start this derivative, which also means future, is to have Bybit account. If you don't have any Bybit account yet, all you just have to do is to come here, and don't forget to subscribe in this channel. You can watch click on any video here, then you come here where you see more, to be able to come down here to be able to join Bybit with my referral code, which also give me point and also give you point too, because we'll be also giving signal in our group. Don't forget to go and join the group. So firstly, create an account. Once you're done creating an account, add fund into your wallet. Always have USDT. If you don't have USDT, come here to where you see more, click here where you see more. You'll be buying through peer-to-peer. Click here where you see peer-to-peer. So what this peer-to-peer does is that you can actually buy locally from other Bybit will be at the middle. It's really safe. Then you can buy USDT here. So I already make a full video of how you can actually buy USDT on Binance, on Bybit, buy and sell on Bybit. So once you already have USDT, everything is good. So all you just have to do right now is to come to this place where you see trade. If you come here where you see trade, yours might probably be on spot or convert. All you just have to do is to switch here to future. Switch to future. So it look a little bit complicated, the surface of this right now. I understand, and I've been through that before, and when I see it at first I feel it a little bit complicated. That's why I'm here to teach you everything step by step. So the first step we'll be taking right now is to add fund into your future account. If you deposit direct from another exchange, or you actually buy from this Bybit, yours will be at spot or fund, so you have to transfer it here. So all you just have to do is to click here where you see plus, click on there where you see plus, and click on here where you see transfer. So what you just have to do, make sure this up here should be funding and this other one will be trading account. Then what you have to do is to put the USDT you want. Let's say 0.1. Since we already have, I just want to use this as an example. Since we already have some USDT on our future account, which is our derivative account, so click here and put the amount you want and click on confirm. To automatically transfer it, you will see your balance right here. So what next? Let's check this order book. So this red here, where you see this red and different kind of manipulating stuff here, and where you see this green one, is what we call order book. By the sound, or the sound you might hear order book, you know that this is the place that you can see all order or transaction or buying and selling of Bitcoin going on. This first one right now is where people are buying. It's people that are buying, that are selling right now. Why this green one are people that are buying, right? So you can see this other one, which is this number that we usually change so often, for green to red. It actually affects the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin go down, it will show red. The Bitcoin go up, it will show green. So now you understand. And this other book right now, the selling and the buying is really different. If you should look at it very well, it's really different. You can see everything going on right now, and it also affects the way Bitcoin behave. If Bitcoin go down or Bitcoin go up, depend on people that are buying and people that are selling, and people that are buying, right? So now you understand what another book is and how to deposit money from your future, from your funding account to your future account, or also called derivative account. So what we'll be checking next is where you see this isolated, or you see this 50s, 51s. So first of all, we'll be going to where you see isolated. So what this isolated mean is that if you place yours on isolated, what this means is that it actually mean when you want to, it actually mean that if you decided to trade on this on future trading right now, you decide to trade and you use, let me say, $10 or use $20, right? So once you place your limit order or your stop, your limit order, once you get liquidated, your money will still be that amount you put, that you want to waste, the amount you put, that you, even if you get liquidated, that's the amount that will be gone. It will not be added, or it will not be reduced or increased. The money you put that you want to get liquidated, that's the money that will be liquidated in case the market go against you, or yeah, the market go against you. That's what this isolated is. So for further more explanation for you to understand, we'll go here to where you see cross. Let's click on it again. You will see, you see isolated, cross, and portfolio. So let's start with this cross for you to understand what I'm talking about. You see this cross right now. If you should put yours at this cross and you have, let me say, $60, right? You have $60. You want to trade with $30. You said, okay, I want to trade with $30. Then you place the order, you place the trade. So immediately you are going to get liquidated. Maybe the market going against you, then market is going down, and you want to get liquidated. That market, the money, the remaining $30 we use as cover up for the other $30 that is going liquidated. So just imagine you put $20,000 or $10,000 in the trade, and you go for a walk, you come back and see that all your money is gone in your account. That's how a lot of people lose their money, just because of this common mistake. Although if you can also use this cross, and there's, I always advise you to always use isolated, but if you want to use this cross, you can always use limit order. Now you understand the meaning of cross and isolated. So I always use isolated. Always, don't forget to always use isolated, right? Always use isolated. Now we are going to this place where you see 51s. Click on it. What is this X? What does this S mean? I've a lot of people, maybe people that are going to trading, or you have come across of all these social media groups, they are telling you that always use low leverage, always use low leverage. Some will tell you that you should use higher leverage. So this S is what leverage means. So the higher your leverage, the higher your profit, and the higher your risk. It sounds complicated, right? So let's say you are using 100s leverage, right? And you put $100. So each time the market go to 1% or a little bit further, you will have 100% immediately. So assuming, let's take it back, just that, let's say that's not profit and it lost, you see that you lost your 100% of your money immediately. So it always favor you when the market is going to your direction. But if the market is going against you, it will finish all your money in your account. So I always advise you, if you are using a nice amount of money, always use low leverage, which is low X. Always use low leverage. I always advise people to use 10x leverage to 25x leverage. Even 25x leverage is too much, but if you know what you are doing, it's okay. But it's okay if you know what you are doing, right? Now you understand how to deposit your money from your funding account to your derivative, which is your future account. Now you understand what order book is. Now you understand what isolated and cross is. So we will go into this limit, or this limit order. If you can see it here, limit. So what we have to do is click on it. Once we click on it, you see that there is a lot limit, market. I always go for the limit and the market order. So what this limit order is right now, we'll be giving you an example of what this limit order is. Let's assume you went to the market and the price of product is has skyrocketed. The price of product, you only have $1 to buy this product. Well, let me say you only have $1, right? And you'll be using 1 cent for transport. You can always keep the remaining 0.9 cent for person. Always give someone to say, listen, if this market go to this place, right? If this product drop to this exact place, buy for me. but this one is not person, but this one is which is controlled by the bot or the program they're using in this future. So once the market go to the product fall to 0.9, the person will buy for you and keep it for you. So the person might keep it for you. Once you come, it will give you. But if the price market keep going up and you need your money, you can go always collect it for the person. That's what this limit order is. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So the limit order always work if you are someone who is busy and don't want to go to the market. You always set your limit, that this is the limit I want to enter from, this is the limit I want to go for. So you always set your limit. If you are a working class person, or you are someone who is not always on the market always, or always on your chart trading future or trading derivative, you always set your limit, and it will always buy for you at the limit you put it. Now we'll go for the market order. So what this market order does is that, if you see, once we go for, let's go back to the limit. You can see once we go to the limit, you will see that price, we can actually change the price of what we are going for. Even if Bitcoin is on $99,280 right now, you can always say we want to buy Bitcoin at $100, which is not really possible, because Bitcoin is not going to fall back to $100, right? Always say I want to buy Bitcoin at $100, but each year Bitcoin go to $100. If you can wait, or if we are not in this world anymore, so your market will trigger. You understand what I'm saying? Right now you can say, okay, Bitcoin is 99,000. Bitcoin is currently at 99,100 and something. You said I want to buy at 98. Then put the quantity you want to buy. Just click on the quantity you want to buy. You can click here and click on. This is not buy, this is long, this is trading, right? You can click here. Okay, I want to trade. I want my market to trigger at this exact 998 169 USDT price. Then you click here on long, or you click on short. So hope you understand right now. And this place, the quantity is actually the amount you want to trade. It should be in USDT. You can always change it. You can always change it to USDT. You can see it here. Change it to USDT or use Bitcoin. If you don't want to put the amount, you want to use percentage, you can always use this button here. You can see it twist to 100%. You can change any percentage you want to use, that you like to use. So let's go back to market order. So once we click here and come here to market order, you can see that immediately, right, we cannot put the amount of Bitcoin we want to buy, the amount of price we want to buy from. You can see that we always buy for the market order. Once you put the amount you want, the quantity you want to buy, you want to trade, then you buy it, you long or you trade, it will automatically trigger, because we are going in the market, right? We are going direct from the market. Just buy from the market direct, the way it is right now. So I hope you understand. So I always use limit order because of the technical analysis that I'm using. So now you understand isolated. You understand what the difference between isolated and cross. You understand the difference between 20 the S leverage. You understand limit and market order. You understand order book. You understand how you can actually deposit from your future, from your funding to your future. And you don't always have to cram on this thing. If you have bio and book, just write it down, and in case you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. Right, so what we'll be showing you next, before we come to this stop loss and take profit, which is TP and SL, and this long and short, I will show you this place. You can see right now right now everything about here is on Bitcoin, so you can always change it in case you want to trade other pair. Right, this one is Bitcoin to USDT. Click on it, you see a lot of other trade you could trade. Ethereum to USDT, Solana to USDT, SROP to USDT, Doge to USDT, Fatcoin to USDT, Epoch to USDT, 100 Pepper to USDT, Sui, add, and a lot to USDT. You always choose the one you want to trade. So let's assume you are going with Doge to USDT. Right now market are crashing just because of the news that is going on. So we are going to trade Doge to USDT. So you can always change it here right now. Change it here, and you can always change it right now. And Once you change it, you see that everything is changed. So it's just the same as Bitcoin, but the price is more higher when it is Bitcoin. So everything is the same. So you can come here to switch here to this chart where you see chart here. Or wait, let me before I show you that chart, let me show you this take profit and this stop loss. So what this take profit, this TP and SL mean is that take profit, you might have heard this before, take profit or stop loss. So when I say take profit, you should understand that it's actually the time that you'll be taking profit. Stop loss is actually the time that you want to stop your loss. Let's say you want to take your profit at some certain point of the trade, or depend on your technical analysis. Said I want to take my profit at this price of this market. So you will set your take profit there. You click on it and put your take profit in the market. We'll be going live. We'll be doing live trade right now. So you will see everything how I'm doing it. Put your take profit at, I want to take profit at this number 0.0001. It depends if you are shorting or if you are longing or you are shorting, which is you are longing the trade or you are shorting the trade, right? Which is you are buying or you are selling. Then you put the amount you want to take profit from. I want to take profit from 0.00 something. And this stop loss is to minimize your loss. You said, okay, I don't want to lose more than 25%. Your stop loss, we have to make that decision. You put the stop loss. So in case you went out to go and do something, once the market go to your stop loss, it will cut your stop loss. It will cause your loss. So it maybe you want to lose 25% instead of losing 50 or 100, even 100% of your money. This stop loss will actually wage. It will be your backbone. We said, no, I don't want you to pass this place. My guy told me that he wants you to cut at this place. So the stop loss will probably save you for your loss. So now you understand let's revise everything we said, right? Now you understand isolated and cross, you understand 25s or 20s, you understand how to add your USDT, how to from your fund account. You understand limit order and cross order. You understand order book. You understand uh, take profit and stop loss, and you also understand how to put other coin by clicking here, how to add other coin to trade. So now let's go where you see chart before we come to the final teaching of today. Before we come to the final trade, which is the next step of me placing an order, so that you will see what we will be talking or teaching about since. So come here to chart. So in this chart, it might look a little bit complicated for you, not for me, right? So what you'll be seeing here in this chart is this chart mean the current movement and what is happening in the market. This candlestick you're seeing right now represent everything that is going on in the market, right? Everything that is happening in this market, this candlestick represent it. You can see once we put it already on 15 minutes, you can click on 1 hour, click on 4 hour, and click on 1 day. What do all this mean? 1 hour, 5 hour, 1 day. What does all this actually mean, you might ask? So each time you put this on 1 hour, 4 hour, or 1 day, right? So it actually represents each candlestick. So let's assume I put this on 4 hour. Each candlestick now represent 4 hour each. Let me see, each of these candlestick represent 4 hour. Let me put it on 1 day. Each of these candlestick now represent 1 day. Let me put it on 1 hour. Each of these candlestick represent 1 hour. 15 minutes, the same thing. Each of these candlestick represent 15 minutes. You can see that each time I put them on higher time frame, the pattern change. Let me say 1 day. You can see the pattern actually change. 4 hour, the pattern change. 1 hour, the pattern change. 15 minutes, the pattern change. You can see that you can always choose minutes, how many minutes you want to add right now, right here. So what you just have to do now is to analyze the market. So what this candlestick actually print the data of what is going on. So if you want to trade, you want to buy or you want to sell, depend on what you are buying. If you are buying or you're selling, analyze the market. Let's say you want to long the trade or you want to short the trade, because this market look like something that is going down. You will say, okay, right now I want to short the trade at so please let's say I want to short the trade at some point on this, let me see, on this place, or I want to short the trade. I'm coming, let's see if I will see. Yeah, so okay, put this, let me use this. Okay, I'm coming here. Okay, let's say you said I want to short the trade, or I want to long the trade at this price, right? You click on it, you see the price right now. The price is currently at 0.1452, right? You said I want to long the price. Once the market come to this price, that's when the limit order, you said okay, you put your price, right? You remember the price we changed at now 98,000 bitcoin, right? You put this price right here, which is, you said I want to trade here. Once the market come here, I want to trade, then you put this number 1.00. It depends on the coin you are trading. 1.44. Then when the market come to this place, it will trigger. Then it will trigger immediately. If it is going up, after here you will be making profit, but if it is going down, you will be also losing. So once maybe it might be going down, that's why your stop loss come into place, right? Then maybe you said I want to put my stop loss right here, right at this place. So once the market come to this place right here, your stop loss will cut, depend on how many percent. But if you do not put your stop loss, the market can keep going down, and you lose your money. Also, the same will take profit. Let's assuming right now you said okay, right now I put my money, I want to buy at this first place, I want to put my take profit here, we are longing the market, I want to put my stop loss here, and I will be putting my take profit at this point. So putting my take profit at this point. So once the market come to this place, if it actually come to your entry and I pick it and it actually going up, it reach this up one here, it reach this up one here, your profit will be taken immediately. So hope you understand. So for now, let me take this into an example. So let's take this into an example, right? So we will be going to the market fully right now. So we'll be using the current market price to enter the market, right? So let's go back to trade. Let's say we'll go into the market fully. Click here, click the price right now. Come here. Click the price right now. So we'll be going to the market. Click the price right now. Then this is the price. Then the amount we want to put, the amount we want to trade. Let's change this to USDT. Click on confirm. Let's change this to USDT. Then let's click on, let's say we'll be using 10%, right? Then let's go back to this place. Go back to here. Let's say we are going to the market right now. We are going to the market. So our stop loss, come here to where you see stop loss 0.14319. 0.14319. Our stop loss 0.14319. Then take profit, because we are long in the market, put our take profit right here, 0.14997. 0.14997. 0.14997. So 0.14997. Okay, let's say we are going to the market at this place. Let's say we are going to the market at this place, 0.14462. 0.14462. Then you put this price right here. Said okay, I'm going for 0.14462. So then what you just have to do is to put the number, put the amount you want to trade. Let's say we are trading with 20%. Then just leave this at maybe 25s, or let's say just put it at 5s, then isolated. Then once you click on long, because we are long right now, we see that the market might go up, we are long right now. Once you click on long, right, once you click on long right now, you see that it's already on order. You can see that it's already on order, right? You can see it here, it's already on order. It's not the market has not been triggered yet. Until the market come to this place, until the market come to this place right now, before the market will be triggered, right? So let's make another trade right now for you to see what I'm talking about. Let's make another trade right now. Let's say we are going in fully right now. Let's go back and let's say we are going with the market right now. All we just have to do right now is to put 25%, put 20%. Then this is the market. We are going into the market right now. Then put the take profit at where we put that first one. Let's see, put the take profit at here 0.1499 0.1499 0.1499. Then the stop loss, let's put the stop loss at here, which is 0.143321 0.143321 0.143321. Then once we click on trade, let's always make sure that the mark is actually aligned with the current market. Click here and then we'll click on long. Minimum USDT is 5. Okay, so minimum USDT is 5. Let's just put 5. And just click here to where you see long. See that the market will be triggered. It's already on order, right? So the market will be triggered very soon. See, you can see the market is already triggered. We are already on the market. You can see we are on 0.1%, 0. We long right now. So you can also do the same on short. So what you're going to do, if you want to short the market, you want to click on here where you see short. You predict that the market will be going down, right? Then come here to chart. Then use the opposite, right? You can see, use the opposite. Let's say you want to click on short. So you want to short as this current price right now. So what you're going to do, you'll be using this price, and you will put in your where you put your stop loss. Your take profit will be your stop loss, right? Then where you put your take profit will be your no, where you put your take profit will be your stop loss. Where you put your stop loss will be your take profit. It's the opposite, right? Because you are actually predicting that the market will go down. So hope you understand what I'm saying. So you actually predicted that market will go down. Then you have to put the your take profit, your stop loss, your take profit at the your stop loss. Sorry, your stop loss at the top right here. Put your stop loss here. Then put your take profit down. Then the place you want to enter. Like that is it. That's how you can long and short. So hope you understand this. Hope you understand. Right now you can see we are at 0.3% right now. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget, if you understand anything, if you don't understand anything, always let me know in the comment section, right? So guys, peace out. So like I said earlier, the shorting, which is this shorting, is the opposite, right? It's the opposite of the buying. So guys, that's it on this video. Let's cancel this right now. Let's cancel it. You can cancel it if okay. You can always cancel it. Maybe you don't want anymore. You don't want to trade anymore. Click here where you say cancel, or cancel everything immediately. You can also cancel everything. Then your money will be back to you.